Hello everyone, today is January 25th, 2023. Welcome to a channel purely focusing on technical analysis. Welcome to subscribe, you won't miss any of my new videos. As usual, let's look at the disclaimer first. As you know, today it's the Tesla will publish its earning report. So let's do our pre-market homework to check the Tesla's technical chart. And first of all, trading is not gambling, so I do not suggest anyone to gamble the earning report. You should use your techniques to do your analysis and create your trading plans and do your homework. So do not gambling any earning reports. That's first to say. This is a Tesla weekly chart, as you can see here. I have dragged one Fibonacci tool to measure the levels from 134 down to 101. As you can see here, we have three key resistance level to watch, but this is in weekly chart. This is a high time horizon. So the first one is 183, but occasionally or funnily, the average line here is 200. Let me check. It's 200 average line. The 200 average line is also at price 183 or around 183. So this key level is the price we need to monitor in the weekly time frame. And there is also a trading platform up here, but we will talk about that in the future videos. Let's zoom into the day chart. As in the day chart, as you can see, this downtrend from 198 down to 101, and also using the same method with Fibonacci. And the current price is in between two key resistance levels, 150 and 139, and it's in the middle. And technically, if the price is in this kind of situation, it could go up or down. So it doesn't really tells you much. But so that's also why I say that do not gambling for the earning report, because it could go up or down. Let's zoom one in more level to 1 hour chart. As you can see here, this is the 1 hour chart. I will also mark it here, so you will be easily to watch it when you guys compare with your chart. This is the 1 hour chart. I have used a tool called Fibonacci extension. I have measured the strength from 115 to 136 and compared 124 to 145. And finally, these two trend has exactly the same ratio here. As you can see, level here, it's as this level. That means these two uptrend has same ratio. So that's also telling us the earning report could go up, maybe up to 158 or close to 160, or it could go down, maybe to retest the 130 level. So at this key situation, it doesn't really see anything in this chart, but we could plan our trading by, it doesn't really matter how good or how bad is the earning report, you still can plan it. Let's try how. If we measure the current price, if we measure it for 10% down, if the earning is really bad, then it could go down 10%. Then the price will be down to 130. And if the earning, or if the market think the report is really good, it will go up 10%, and the price is at 160 level. So what should we do? The planning is If you have already have the short position, I mean small position from under 120 or even 130, you should sell your small position here and do not gambling for the earning report. If the price go down to 130, you could buy back your small positions. And if it go up, you still have your long positions. So in that way, you don't gambling up or down. You don't really care about up and down. You just care about your average price. If your average price of holding your position is getting, I mean, getting better or getting, how to say that? If your average price for a stock is closing to zero, that means you don't really care about the market volatility because it doesn't really matter it go up or down because you don't lose money. That's the key in when you trading a stock. So that's why I suggest if you have already add on some small positions up down here, then you should sell it here and then waiting for the market response from the earnings after the market close. If you can trade after market close, you can check these two levels. And we could also use the Fibonacci to measure from this part, from 124 to the top, it about 8% by using the Fibonacci. If the price down to 133, it's also acceptable. I mean, it's also a key level in the shorter time frame. So in this case, you have the also three prices to watch. But in general, the strategy is, let's do a summary. If you have already have your small positions, long positions bought here, you should sell it when in the intraday trading Tesla and waiting for the market consumption or waiting for the market conclusion after the earning and to respond to the market. That's my technical analysis based on the current chart situation. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.